Welcome to my third devlog. For this devlog, I decided I wanted to take a more of approach where I kind of show you guys behind the scenes almost, so you kind of get to see me make the game. And I hope that works a little bit because I kind of wanted to show you how the game is made. So right now I haven't really made any progress since the last devlog. I just wanted to start completely from the last point in which you guys saw. So we'll be starting from there. So I kind of worked on the health bar, kind of just started setting things up. The code is there right now. What I'm really working on is detections. As you see right now, it is set to 100%. It should decrease, but it doesn't, and I just gotta figure out why it won't detect collisions with this. So, okay, so after a little tinkering, I figured out that it wasn't that it wasn't detecting the rocket, it was that it could not detect the rocket. So in Area 2Ds, there's different types of detections, and I was using one for static bodies, which just means same things like the explosion, except obviously it's on a different collision layer, so it won't detect it. But it wouldn't be able to detect the ships because the rockets, or it won't detect the rockets because the rockets are Area 2Ds, not static bodies. So I just had to change that, and it should work. Once one spawn is in. Yep, and it reduces a random amount of health, around 5. That way it's just not like too much, but yeah, and it can detect the explosion. So that's all done. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to make it so. Okay, so after realizing that my hotkeys for recording and the stop recording were the / and dot, I had basically finished the you lose screen, but most of the footage is kind of just not there, so I'm just gonna show you what I have. I decided to go down the route that it'll just switch scenes, so it'll delete this scene completely and it'll switch to the you lose screen. I can yeah, like that. I can kind of just do that for everything. So right now I'll just add a button. I'll just add a button that will send you back to the previous screen completely. Guess we'll have to find out once the button or once the health goes to 0. Yep, you lose, play, it sends you right back. Cool. Okay, so now I'm gonna set the health to not 0, 100 instead of that. That should work now. And right now what I want to do is I kind of want to just make the same thing, but I want it to be what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna create a new 2D zine. I'm gonna go to 2D. What I'm gonna do is I'm literally just gonna put the you lose scene in, and I'm just gonna change it a little bit. Literally all I'm gonna do, just because it makes it so much easier. I'm just gonna call it menu. Background. So let's go to label. I'm gonna edit the text. I don't really know what I want the name of the game to be, so I'm just gonna name it title of game, and I'm gonna set the color to like I'm just gonna set it to like a bright green. Not save it quite yet. And that should completely work. I'm going to save that. Oops. Okay, so menu and camera 2D, play. It is connected to label. Yep. Background menu. Just making sure everything works. Okay, so all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a menu button. So I'm just gonna copy and I'm going to paste a note here. Yep, and I'm gonna change its text to menu. And also I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch its node path to no, I don't want to parent into that yet. Let's go. Menu. I'm gonna switch its node path to the menu, which should be pretty easy. I just need to connect it. Connect. Yep. And I'm just gonna change its node path to menu. So I'm just gonna go get tree change and then menu. Pretty simple. And then do that menu. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. For some reason, okay. That is weird. For some reason, it is like almost attached to. Oh, I made it. Okay. I see what I did wrong. I made an inherited scene from this. So I turned the menu into a scene of the you lose screen. So I got rid of that. Main menu. Okay. Okay. So I just gotta start from scratch. That's fine. Just gonna real quickly do that, and I will not force y'all to watch that. Alright, well I went ahead and finished the menu screen. So if you go ahead and test that now, it is working. For now, it's just like this. I really don't know what I want to name the game, so it's still going to be title of game. And then play. You know, it starts the game. And I also added a menu button on the you lose screen. So if we go to the health real quick, just set it to 1. I can show you that. So you play 1 health. Gotta wait for rocket to spawn. There we go. Alright, and you lose play button and main menu. So you go to menu, got the main menu screen, play, and then play button works too, of course. You just gotta wait for the rocket so I can show that. And yep, play, and it all works. Cool. So I really appreciate y'all watching, and have a great day.